Have you ever spent time building a VLOOKUP formula only for it to break the moment someone inserts a column into your spreadsheet? Or maybe you've had to search through hundreds or even thousands of rows just to find customer information, employee details, or performance data. If you've ever worked with Excel, chances are you've used VLOOKUP at some point. But today, I want to show you a better, more powerful, and much easier alternative called XLOOKUP. In this video, I'll explain what XLOOKUP is, when you should use it, and then we'll walk through two real-world examples where it can be a huge time saver. So let's start with the basics. XLOOKUP is a function in Excel that allows you to search for a value in one table and return information from another table. Think of it like asking Excel a question. For example, find employee ID number 3 and tell me everything I need to know about that employee. Or find a payroll record and tell me which department an employee belongs to. That's exactly what XLOOKUP does. The function has three main components: what you're looking for, where Excel should look for it, and what information Excel should return. Now, you might be thinking that VLOOKUP already does something similar, and you are right. But XLOOKUP is more flexible, easier to read, and much harder to break. Unlike VLOOKUP, it can search both left and right, doesn't require to count column numbers, can display custom messages when data isn't found, and can even return multiple columns of information with a single formula. That's why Microsoft positions XLOOKUP as the modern replacement for VLOOKUP. So, where can you actually use XLOOKUP in real world? The answer is almost anywhere you need to combine information from multiple data sets. Sales teams use to enrich CRM exports with customer or employee details. HR teams use it to combine employee records with payroll data. Finance teams use it to connect transactions with cost center and budgets. Procurement teams use it to match vendor information across systems. And operations team use it to combine data from multiple reports into a single view. Essentially, whenever you have a common identifier such as employee ID, customer ID, product ID, or transaction number and need to pull information from another table, XLOOKUP is one of the most useful functions you can always have in your Excel toolkit. Alright, now let's jump into a demo. Alright, so as you can see, I am in my Excel environment and on my screen I have two sheets within my Excel. The first is a sales team report on Q1 sales performance, and the second one is an HR department report on employee compensation. Right? Let us start with sales team report. Now, let's say I'm a sales manager and I'm preparing for an upcoming business review with my leadership on the Q1 sales performance. Let's say I need to identify which of my team members had the highest attainment, which product they sold, or what region they are into, right? Now, as you can see, I have two tables. The first table is the employee master table, which has information around employee ID, full name, region, as well as product line. The second table is on Q1 sales performance, where again I have information on employee ID, Q1 sales revenue, the target, and attainment in percentage. But I don't have the employee name in my second table, which will make it difficult for me to identify exactly who from my team achieved what and the attainment as well. But I do have the table above, which has both employee ID, which is common in employee in table 1 and table 2, as well as the column which has the full name of my employee. So using XLOOKUP, we will now bring in the information from table 1 to table 2. Okay. Let's say I want to start here and I want to first identify for employee 3 who is exactly that employee and what's their name, etc. So I'll start saying equals to XLOOKUP, and then I'd open bracket. I'd first say A17, which will highlight the exact cell I'm calling out, comma, $A4 colon $A13. So as you can see, it has already highlighted the column in the first table. Comma, I'll now say $B4 colon $B13, and I'll close the bracket. When I hit enter, it would automatically identify that the employee number 3 that I'm calling is called Anita Desai from table 1. That's for the name. But let's say if I want to do the same thing for region for the second employee, I'll now do the same thing. I'll say equals to X lookup, open bracket, and then I'll say A18, comma, dollar. This time again, I'll say A4, column, dollar A13, which will again highlight the first column because that's the only common I have between both these tables. Then I'll say dollar. This time I'll say C and then 4 column again dollar C13. Close that bracket, and then I have again the region of my other employee. Now let's do the same thing for product line. I'll again do the same thing saying equals to X lookup, open bracket, A19 column, comma, sorry, dollar A4 colon dollar A13, comma, dollar, this time I'll say D4 colon dollar D13, close the bracket. And now it will bring in the product line of this particular employee from the above table. Now we've called all this information separately, but what if I want all the 3 in one single attempt or in one formula? What I will do here is I'll say equals to X lookup, open bracket, A20, comma, dollar A4 colon dollar A13, and then this time I'd say dollar B4 colon dollar D13. So it will pick the whole table from column B to column D, top to bottom. The moment I close the bracket and I hit enter, it would bring in the full name, the region, as well as the product line from the above table. We can do the same thing for HR department, but here I'll do it slightly differently, right? Again, out here we have a report from the HR department. As you can see, the first table has columns around employee ID, full name, department, manager, and joining date. So this is basically the company's employee directory. And the second one is a payroll table for the same employees with their annual salary, bonus, and grade. Now let's see if I want to call the data from the above table into the second one, and I have employee ID as common between both these tables. So earlier we basically wrote the whole formula. Now we can literally use our mouse to pick and choose the cells and get the results. So again, I'd say equals to X lookup, open bracket, but this time I'd say I use my mouse and say this particular employee on A19, comma, again I would say from this colon to this range, comma, and I want the full name of the person. So I would say again from this colon to B15, and then just close the bracket and hit enter. It would automatically bring the name. So there are two ways you can actually achieve this, right? You can actually use proper formula if you are comfortable, or you can use the mouse. Now in my second example, I will basically bring in all the details like full name, department, manager, and joining date in one single go. How I do it? I'll again say equals to X lookup, open bracket. I'll again use my mouse, say for employee 110, comma, I'd say from here, colon, all the way, sorry, not that way, from here, colon to this, and then I'd say from column B, colon, all the way till this, and then I'll just close the bracket. So essentially, I told Excel that I want the information for the employee that is in the particular row 20, which is employee 110. Now, I also said that in the first table, I want you to scan all the specific employee IDs in the column A, right? And then I want all the information if it matches with employee 110. So I gave it a range saying from column B to column E, every single data entry I want in this particular cell. So the moment I hit enter, it would basically bring the name, the department, the manager, as well as the joining date in one single go. And that's how you use XLOOKUP in Excel. So that's XLOOKUP in Excel. At first glance, it might seem like just another Excel function, but once you start using it, you'll quickly realize how much time it can save and how many manual tasks it can eliminate. Whether you're working in sales, HR, finance, operations, or virtually any other business function, XLOOKUP helps you connect data sets, retrieve information faster, build more reliable spreadsheets, and reduce errors. And as you've seen today, it's not limited to returning a single value. With one formula, you can retrieve an entire record and combine information from multiple tables in seconds. If you're still relying on VLOOKUP today, I highly recommend investing a few minutes to learn XLOOKUP because it's one of the most valuable Excel functions introduced in recent years. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.